Sena Manipur State Unit President Moirangtem Tombi has categorically stated that the Manipur Democratic Alliance, in which Sena Manipur State Unit is also a constituent party, is against the alleged Congress Party's attempt to break up Manipur. He was speaking at the reception ceremony of the newly joined members of Sena Manipur State Unit, which was held today at the office of Sena Manipur State Unit located at Babupara. Speaking further, Tombi expressed concern that some political parties are constantly sweeping venoms to break up Manipur, while noting that the suspension of Operation Sue was initially signed during the Congress rule. The Sena Manipur State Unit President further asked the state and central governments to lay out a plan for bringing peace and normalcy in the state, suggesting the central government that it will be better to deport those communities who oppose living coherently between various communities in the state. Tombi maintained that his political party strongly condemns the extension of Sue Pact earlier on September by the central government and President's rule government in the state. He also expressed his strong desire to allow resettlement of the IDPs in their original places, adding that the incidents of IDPs committing suicide have increased.
Ujiki leriba Myanmar dagi Laga, Manipur gi miyam gi yum mai thaba aruga akoi gi lam munba poppy plant tauba jungle deforestation tauba sigumba kanglup se masi India government haibisu yade Manipur government so haibisu yade Manipur gi CSO mayam na so haibi yade adu di makoi si Manipur da lemina sebe yadar ne krai drum chapi gi ba kari kai bage India government ne krai drum buthok pin na sinbi ba kari kai bage baham rang khang da ba Akoigi Neomnity Lataba, Adoga Sikumba, Kanglupama, Manipur, Akoigi Su extent of Shiv Sena, Miam condemned to Jakibane, Migi Yum Mai Targa, Migi Lamdumun, Ganehaba, Migi Masama Sudo Atasar, Tone Haba, Suma Poche, Masi Moi Wakal Damadu, Siko the Tadopolite, Handakti Koi Jun 18 do Adugumba, Anishuba, Ihoma, Akoi Manipur, Madu, Soidanoki, Lakane Habi, a chip of Tajabale.